Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Maddie Kurth at 8:31 on the dot now as meteorologist Hannah Gard joins us with your Weather Authority forecast, keeping our eyes on the tropics. Hannah.
Yeah, Maddie, we're giving you the first alert because this is going to be all the talk this weekend. We have a tropical depression sitting over Cuba right now, but we are expecting this to quickly strengthen into a tropical storm once it emerges over the southern Gulf waters and then eventually make landfall somewhere in Florida. Right now, the cone from north of Tampa over to Apalachicola, so that Big Bend region of Florida. And then it continues on into the southeastern U.S. You see this kind of odd shape to the end of it. We do expect some slowing, which could result in looping or stalling of this system, which would then pose a big flood risk for these areas because we'll lose some of those driving steering factors. But right now, this is a tropical depression. It's heading toward Havana. It just has this small area of northern Cuba to traverse before it gets into the Gulf. We have 30-mile-per-hour sustained winds right now. Once it gets into the Gulf, that's when we'll start to see that strengthening because look at these waters, incredibly warm. Once you pass the Keys, you really heat up. And into that Big Bend region, we have well above normal sea surface temperatures. So I wouldn't be surprised if the National Hurricane Center does up that forecast for a potential landfalling hurricane. You can see they do have a hurricane watch in effect for these areas in orange in that Big Bend region down to just north of Tampa. Then from Tampa down through Key West, we have that tropical storm warning because as this passes by, we'll still see those onshore winds for much of the Florida peninsula. Florida Keys are in that tropical storm watch. So as this becomes a tropical storm, it will be named Debbie. And look how much we still have to go of this season. A lot of those forecasts have been for an extremely active hurricane season. So this is what we would expect as we head into August. The main threats with this, especially if we see it slow down for parts of Florida and then the southeast coast, are going to be flooding rains. You can see these bullseyes of yellow. That's up to 10 inches or maybe more of rainfall. So that would be widespread flooding concerns. 5 to 10 inches along the east or the west coast of Florida, so flooding rains there. That will be the potential as the system passes by. Here's the steering pattern. We have a low pressure right here. That's bringing us cold front today. High pressure over here to the east. So it's steering between those two. It's going to lift it up on that northeastward track. But notice we kind of lose this low. That's why we think we could see some stalling, because if we don't have anything lifting it or driving it over to the east anymore, it could just sit in this area and that would cause those flooding concerns. Meanwhile, we have heat building over us, so that's going to protect us from this storm for now. But first alert forecast for later today, we're going to see that front come down, bringing gusty winds, lightning, could see heavy downpours that would be flooding rainfall. So we've already seen some storms this morning offshore. That's going to stay that way. Typically, we start to see those storms lift north in the summertime. This is a different flow. It's coming from the north to the south because of this frontal boundary. This is technically a cold front. You're not going to need the jackets because of this, but we could see a dew point drop tomorrow after those storms roll through. We're going to be on the drier side of the system. You can see on the northern end and typically the western side, we're not going to see much in the way of rainfall after this passes by. So this modeling has that going right through that Big Bend region up through Jacksonville, Savannah, Charleston. Have to watch out for those areas. If you're traveling that direction by the end of the weekend, something to closely monitor. But for us, our rain chances go down substantially. We're going to be really dry through the end of the week, which means that heat is coming back. So giving you the first alert today. Feels like temperatures up to 116. That's an excessive heat warning. Before we get those storms, it's going to get really hot. Heat advisory for the coastal areas, North Shore, and then the heat index stays pretty high the next couple of days. But notice a slight drop tomorrow. I do think the dew points will be slightly lower before we climb up. And then the end of this week looking really hot. 98 Tuesday, Wednesday, just shy of the record set last year. Remember, we had 1,500-degree days in August last year. We're going to be nearing triple digits on Thursday, so I think we get close to that. Not quite there, but a hot week ahead for us with lower rain chances. So enjoy those storms today. Going to be dodging them for white linen night, though. So if you are planning on heading down to Julia Street, download the Fox 8 weather app. You'll get the lightning notifications. You can check the radar. Make sure you don't get rained on in your white linen.
It's a delicate balance because we want the heat when we're talking tropics, but we don't want the heat when we got summertime activities.
It's honestly give and take in the summertime here because you're either going to be boiling or we're watching those tropics closely. So
we'll do our best.
Exactly.